Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Eldrich Spirit Bobber skin in Fish It Roblox update. So the new update is finally here and it brought some seriously spooky gear with it. So the Eldrich Spirit Bobber is arguably the coolest looking skin in the game right now. And in here, I'm going to show you where to find it and how you can get it. So to find it, you can get it on the Fisherman Islands or the underwater city in here. So since I'm here, I'm going to just find the Eldritch in here. So you can just find the shop right here. And once you're inside the shop, don't talk to the NPC. You can just turn right like this and you'll find the Eldritch Spirit here inside this rack. So you can get it by purchasing it for 5 million coins. So if you have those coins, you can just buy it and click on yes to confirm, and you just purchase the Eldritch Spirit. So to change your Bobber skin, you can just here click on bait, swipe until you find the skin. This one, the Eldritch Spirit. So you can just click on equip skin and that's it. So this is your new Bobber skin. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.